Hi, and thanks for calling customer service. I hear you've got a tiny issue with your order. Let's see if we can't figure it out and why your cat bed might be better suited for a hamster. And that's next on Customer Service Kate.
I ordered a cat bed from eBay, and this thing's so small, my cat's head wouldn't even fit in it. Are you trying to scam me?
I'm sorry about the inconvenience. Could you describe the item for me? Or read the item number and I'll look it up.
It's a luxury cat bed. Well, that's what it said. It arrived in a teeny-weeny box, and it barely was the size of a cup holder.
I see. It looks like you purchased a luxury cat bed for a dollhouse decor. It's, actually a toy for cats.
So you're saying I bought a bed for a dollhouse, for a fake dollhouse, and a fake cat? My word.
Yes, it appears that way. The dimensions were listed, and I can understand how that could be confusing.
You think? I've got a real cat looking at me like I'm crazy.
I can help you return and get a full refund. And finally, a proper size cat bed, no problems.
You know what? Just forget it. I'll just keep the darn thing. Maybe I'll order another one and make an earring set. Get it. Thanks for nothing.
Well, at least now your dollhouse is pet ready. Call back anytime. You never know what you'll end up ordering next. Thanks for calling Customer Service Kate. Have a great day.